Hello, hello, Melissa Smith, Ambassador Diamond here. I wanted to talk today about being discouraged in your business, and especially at the leadership level. I've been in this almost 5 years, and there's highs and there's lows, and I have to remind myself all day today that, I'm working on my 2.0 spot, and just everyone I have signed in the last 6 months are just doing next to nothing. But before that, I had a whole cycle of just leaders promoting to these high levels and people just taking off, and seemed like more people were taking off than they weren't. And so one thing I just want to remind you guys when you're discouraged and you're going through this is that this is a cycle. You are going to get back to booming, but that's business for you. When I owned a boutique, we weren't booming every day of the week. We weren't booming every month of the week. Weekends were when it seemed like everybody came in to shop. And Christmas time was when, our sales were way above January. January, there would be days when people wouldn't even walk in the store. I mean, that is business. So just know that, and know that if you just stop and you quit and you don't focus on those steps to success each month, you're not going to get back to that big momentum again. So make sure you have your steps to success out, and it may be that you're taking a step back and kind of, say this leg is kind of going down and you're building over here, and it kind of feels like a little bit of a reverse, but that's okay. That's just how the cycles seem to go. So here's a couple things you can do, things that always help me. I mean, I know it's so easy to just get frustrated and walk away for a day, which leads to 3 days, to weeks, to months, and that's something you do not want to do. That is the worst thing you can do for your business. So just sit down and think of positives. I had a leader today text me, and she had a diamond that's not even commission qualified, doesn't have enough volume, has fallen. And she said, this diamond has totally crumbled, and all I have working is this new girl. And her new girl is like, I just have a feeling she's going to be a huge rock star. She's been in network marketing before. She gets it. She's only been a couple weeks in. She already has 700 BV. She has been assigning full for loyal customers. So instead of saying, yeah, that sucks, I put the positive in and said, hey, you know what? That does stink. I get it. That's happening to me right now too. But you have that new girl in that leg that already has brought in 700 BV all by herself. Can you imagine where she's headed in this business? So that might just end up being your runner in that leg. She might take that spot of that diamond who isn't doing anything. So think of positives. That's what you always want to do. My check has gone down thousands and thousands, and I have, my sister's leg is crumbling, and this other one is going down, and volume's going down for me right now. But, I have an amazing paycheck. I used to live in a $500 apartment where I couldn't even pay the rent barely. And it was ghetto and scary, and just stop and really be thankful and thank God for the blessings He's brought us in this business during the down season. He has a plan, and He won't let you down. We can trust the business. I've been in this 5 years, like I said, and it just comes in cycles and waves. That's just how it is. Another thing you can do, I highly recommend, is encourage. Encourage, encourage, encourage. When you encourage other people, it makes them feel good and it makes you feel good. So those people that are working hard to get on the cruise, go encourage them. Write on their wall. Send them a quick message. Ask your leaders who you can encourage. And, low battery. And just be an encouraging fool right now, because the more you spread that, the more it's going to just spread the love. So I hope that's some good tips for you guys, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day. We'll make it through the down season, and we'll be heading right back up to the top.